This video will walk you through the Unislider chicken loop replacement for your response control system. The tools needed are a hammer, a punch, pliers, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, and string. This can be an old kite line or dental floss, just something strong. First step is the removal of your response chicken loop and rotor head. With the hammer and punch, remove the 2 pins in the rotor head. Make sure you punch out from the opposite side of the knurled end. Step 2 is to remove the safety leash attachment ring, and then slide the loop off the safety bungee. Step 3 is to remove the main line. Start by removing the cleat cover. Next, remove the trim handle by untying the knot tucked inside the handle stop. Step 4, pull main line from the entire system, starting at the cleat, ending with the rotor head. You can discard the rotor head piece. Step 5, Unislider installation. First, let's remove the release hood. Start by removing the internal hood bungee. If the bungee becomes completely dislodged, reinstall one side. Step 6. Next, slide the release hood cover onto the main line, making sure the wide opening is orientated down. Next, install the main line through the Unislider body, starting with threading the line through the left side hole and back up through the right. Make sure the line is seated in the Unibody slider securely. Step 7. Rerun the main line to the cleat. Pass the main line through the release hood, bar bushing, stopper piece, and into the cleat body, making sure everything is straight and tidy. Step 8. Connecting the release hood to the unibody. After you connect both ends of the internal unibody bungee, use the line threaded through the bungee loop. Pull the line through the release hood, aligning the bungee with the release hood bungee tab. Use the line to pull the bungee over this tab. Once connected, remove the line. Step 9. Reinstall the safety leash ring. Step 10. Final system check. Make sure that your main line and centerline safety bungee are aligned straight. If they're not aligned straight, take the twists out. If they are aligned straight, you are ready to go.